I've got two sprites here that I want to rotate, but the results are different. One sprite is turning in tight circles, and the other is turning in a wide circle. That's because in Scratch, each sprite costume has a costume center, a center point that determines how sprites rotate, align when they go to each other, position themselves, etc. You can see the costume center by looking for the crosshairs in the middle of the costume window when using the Paint Editor. Most sprites in the Sprite library are aligned with the costume center by default, but you can adjust where the center is in relation to the drawing by selecting the entire drawing and dragging it close to the center or away from the center. Notice the faint plus sign that appears when you select an object. As you get close to the center crosshairs, the drawing should snap that plus sign to the center crosshairs to help align it perfectly for you. Try changing the placement of the drawing in relation to the center. We're just scratching the surface.